everybody, this is Kayla from the Country Crafter Studio. Thanks again for joining me today. I will be showing you a super cute project that is so simple using the needle and thread stamp set. This is part of our simple stamping challenge where you only use paper, ink, and a stamp set. So I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try and do something really simple for you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. The stamp set I'll be using is Sending You Happiness and Love. And then this stamp set, or this stamp right here. You will need the Whisper White narrow note cards. And I will be using Coastal Cabana as well as Lovely Lipstick. I love this color combination together. It's gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and start our stamping. I have my sentiment on my block already. And let's do the sentiment in Lovely Lipstick. We'll go ahead and ink this up and try and get it in the middle and as straight as you can. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. I'm using my Simply Chamois. I absolutely love this. Your inks will dye your photopolymer stamps, but that's totally normal, nothing to worry about. And then I have this piece right here. I'll close my Lovely Lipstick and we'll come in with our Coastal Cabana. And we'll ink this up here. And we'll put that at the top. Ink it up, and at the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. I will clean this. And we're done. That is our card. I told you it was simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and hold this in my bone folder. How cute is that? It is so simple, but so cute. Just a cute little note card for somebody. Okay, so this is the one that we just made. And this one says, "Get well soon. Thank you. People like you make the world a better place." I did another one of the one I just made, different colors. So these are all from the needle and thread stamp set. So I did bring in some other stamp sets. So I used Butterfly Gala, and I did a little note, and then Hello Beautiful. So I did these two with this stamp set. And then I did this one with Incredible Like You stamp set. So fun. I took the Piece of Cake stamp set and made this little birthday one. So really your possibilities are endless. You can use any stamp set, any sentiment that you have. So here are all of the cards that I had made, and you can always coordinate the envelopes that come with it. So on a few of them I just stamped the flower that came with the needle and thread stamp set. But again, your options are endless with this. So I do thank you for joining me and for watching my video. It would mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. That way every time I post a new video, you'll be notified, and I love sharing my projects with you. So I do hope you enjoy this. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.